So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy US stocks here in Wealthsimple inside of the Wealthsimple mobile application. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, I have now opened up my non-registered account. So I'm just going to go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then once you're here, what I want you to do is go all the way down. So there's trending categories, there's options, there's crypto, fractional trading, a whole bunch of different options here. What I actually want you to do is to go to where it says trending categories and top lists. I want you to press on see all top lists right here. So as you can tell now, we have our reoccurring investments. We have our top 100 on trade, our top Canadian stocks, and our top US stocks. So if you wanted to invest in a top US stock for that matter, you can just go ahead and press on view all right here. So as you can tell, a whole bunch of different stocks here, right? There's Tesla, there's some other stocks as well, TQQQ, a whole bunch of different stocks, Apple, Bank of America, basically whatever stock. And also too, if you want to, there's Ford. If you want to select, stock of your own that's on the US stock exchange, simply just press on the magnifying glass, go to search name and symbol. So if you wanted to search up, what's an American stock, for example, how about Verizon, right? It doesn't really matter. You can search up Verizon, see if Verizon's on there, Verizon Communications on the New York Stock Exchange, VZ. But basically, you can play around with that whatever you want. But if you want to invest in a United States stock, as I mentioned before, go to see all lists. You can simply just view the top US stocks this way. Press this if you wanted to invest in Tesla, for example, or whatever one you want. It doesn't really matter. Whatever one you select, press on Tesla. Simply just press on buy. Then you can buy stocks or options. We're just going to go ahead and press stocks. Then once you're here, if you wanted to fractional buy, I will just go, how about $4 here? I'll press continue. And there you go. I can now confirm my purchase. If you want to go from fractional buy to a market buy, you can press market buy and buy however many shares you want. So that is basically how you guys can buy a US listed stock here in Wealthsimple. I hope this video helps.